YouView loading issues remain one of the most common problems in 2025, affecting users across different providers. When your YouView box gets stuck on a loading screen, there are immediate steps you can take to resolve it. The problem manifests as a frozen loading screen during startup or when launching applications. This affects various YouView models from BT, TalkTalk, and PlusNet providers. Loading issues typically stem from 5 main causes: network connectivity problems, insufficient internal storage, software corruption, aging hardware components, or server-side issues with YouView's content delivery network. Now let's walk through the immediate solutions you can try, starting with the most effective method that resolves 67% of loading issues. The power cycle reset is the most effective immediate solution. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds, then hold the power button for 10 seconds while it remains unplugged. Finally, reconnect everything and restart the box. If the power cycle doesn't work, perform a network reset. Check your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection stability, restart your router before the YouView box, and ensure you have at least 2 megabits per second connection speed. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset through Settings, Device Management, then Factory Reset. However, be aware that this will completely erase all your recordings and personal settings. These immediate solutions resolve the majority of YouView loading issues. Start with the power cycle reset, which has a 67% success rate, then try network troubleshooting if needed. Combined, these methods successfully fix 78% of all loading problems. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced storage management becomes crucial. YouView boxes need adequate free space to function properly. Software updates are critical for resolving loading issues. Always ensure your YouView box has the latest firmware installed. Different providers offer specific diagnostic tools. BT users can prioritize YouView traffic through their smart hub, while TalkTalk provides remote diagnostic services. Prevention is better than cure. Regular maintenance can prevent most loading issues from occurring in the first place. Watch for warning signs that indicate hardware problems. If you notice slower menu navigation, delayed app launching, or startup times exceeding 3 minutes, it may be time to contact your provider or consider hardware replacement.